Chapter 2, we learned about a solid, liquid, and a gas. Pictured here, we have our solid. A solid has a definite shape and volume. Now here, we have a liquid. Liquid has a definite volume, but it takes the shape of the container it's in. Okay? Next up, we have a gas. Gas has no definite shape or volume. We could see the gas would be the smoke coming off from this flame. Next chapter is chapter 13. In chapter 13, we'll learn about the kinetic molecular theory. This theory is a theory that explains the states of matter and is based on the idea that matter is composed of tiny particles that are always in motion. The most important one is gas. It's easily understood as it applies to gases, and it is with gases that we will begin our detailed study. The theory applies specifically to model of a gas called an ideal gas. This ideal gas is an imaginary gas whose behavior perfectly fits all the assumptions of kinetic molecular theory. In chapter 14, we learn about compressibility. Scuba diving is a form of underwater diving in which a diver carries his own breathing gas, usually in the form of a tank of compressed air. Gases are unlike other states of matter in that a gas expands to fill up the shape and volume of its container. For this reason, gases can also be compressed so that a relatively large amount of gas can be forced in a small container, like your scuba tank. If the air in a typical scuba tank was transferred to a container at the standard pressure of 1 atm, the volume of that container would need to be at about 2,500 liters.